Welcome back! I'm Zach, and this is our cozy corner for real-life English chats. If you're new here, tap subscribe so you never miss an easy, friendly episode.
Hey everyone, I'm Emily. We're keeping things simple today. The first moments of meeting someone. Hello names and one small question. The kind that starts a real conversation.
Quick story. Last week in my apartment elevator, I met a neighbor I'd seen but never spoken to. I smiled and said, "Hi, I'm Zach." Then I added, "I just moved in." He relaxed right away and told me his name. One easy line opened the door.
Did you feel nervous at first? Those first seconds can feel big, even when the words are small.
A little, but saying my name helped. The word introduce simply means say who you are. Name first, then a small detail. I said, "I'm on the fourth floor," and he answered with his floor. We both laughed because we'd seen each other for months without talking.
That reminds me of the market on Saturday. I stood in a long line and noticed a woman holding bright sunflowers. I said, "Those look beautiful." She smiled and said, "Thank you." A compliment is a kind, positive comment. After that, names were easy. I'm Emily.
So, step by step, smile, name, tiny detail. It's simple, but it works everywhere. Elevator, line, cafe, class. Small talk is small for a reason. Keep it light and human.
Speaking of that, I like safe questions that feel gentle. I asked her, "Are you from around here?" And, "Do you come to this market often?" The word nearby means close in distance. It keeps the conversation easy and comfortable.
Body language helps too. A relaxed posture and soft eye contact say, "I'm friendly." Polite means kind and respectful. I usually add, "Nice to meet you," because it closes the first moment softly.
Let's recap quickly. Smile, say your name, offer one small detail, ask one simple question. That tiny pattern makes the first minute smooth and warm.
Another mini story. At the gym water station, I said, "Hey, I'm Zach. I think we take the same class." He laughed and said, "Yeah, Mondays." We ended with, "See you next time." Easy, friendly, done.
I love those quick wins. The word hobby means something you enjoy in your free time. If the chat continues, I share one. I like weekend hikes. It's short, but gives the other person more to ask about.
If this feels helpful, hit subscribe now so new episodes come to you automatically. Little by little, these tiny moments add up to real confidence.
Stay with us. Next, we'll dive deeper into simple greetings that feel natural, not robotic, and we'll share more everyday stories you can use today.
Simple greetings work best when they feel human, not memorized. The words are small, but timing, tone, and a warm smile do most of the magic.
That reminds me of the bakery near my place. It was early, the air smelled like bread, and I said, "Good morning," to the cashier. She looked tired, then smiled. It felt fresh, gentle, respectful.
Speaking of mornings, at the bus stop I tried, "Hey, good morning." My neighbor answered, "Morning," and gave a small nod. That nod is a tiny yes. Short is fine when the day just starts.
For afternoons, I like, "Hi there." The little word there softens the sound. Casual means relaxed, not formal. In a new office, that opener felt warm without pushing the conversation too far.
Evenings change the mood. At a small concert, I told the usher, "Good evening," and it fit perfectly. Then, with people my age, I switched to, "Hi." Matching the energy keeps things natural.
Let's dig a little deeper into tone. I keep my voice slow and clear, and I use one soft question. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? A return question keeps the rhythm.
I also hear, "How's it going?" It's the same idea as "How are you?" My favorite answer is pretty good. Here, pretty means quite, not beautiful. Short, positive, easy.
These days, I often wave instead of shaking hands. A small wave feels friendly and safe. Polite means kind and respectful. Add nice to meet you, and the first moment lands softly.
Quick story. At the laundromat, I said, "Hi, I'm Zach," then asked, "Is this machine free?" The woman smiled. "In a minute." We chatted about a song on the radio. Easy, short, human.
Let's pause and collect it. Mornings like, good morning. Afternoons enjoy, hi or hi there. Evenings welcome, good evening. Keep it simple, speak slowly, add one tiny question, and you're set.
Funny you say that. Compliments help too. In a coffee line, I said, "Nice hoodie." After her, "Thanks," I added, "By the way, I'm Zach." The door opened without any pressure.
I once tried, what's up, with an older neighbor. He looked confused. Now I choose safer options with him. Hi, or good morning. Knowing the person a little guides the greeting.
My go-to for midday is, "Hi, how's your day so far?" So far means until now. It invites simple answers like good or busy, and it keeps the mood light.
In very quiet places like a library, I whisper, hi, and add a small hand wave. The smile does the heavy lifting. The words can stay short and gentle.
Quick recap. Match the time of day, keep your tone soft, use one easy question, and watch body language. Next up, we'll slide into sharing names and simple details without sounding robotic. Moving from greetings to the next step, sharing who we are. In daily life, I keep it short. Name, where I'm from, and what I do. Simple pieces, clear voice.
At a park yoga class last month, I turned to the person on my mat and introduced myself. I told her, I'm Emily. I'm from Oregon, but I live nearby now. I make podcasts. She relaxed.
Did that order help you? Name first, then origin, then what you do?
Yes. Name first makes the moment calm. The word origin simply means the place you come from. I added, I live in this neighborhood to connect now, then my job.
At a neighborhood cleanup, I tried the same flow. I said, I'm Zach. I'm from Chicago, but I live on 4th Street. Then, I work at a bike shop on weekends. We started talking about tires.
I like that little but. It shows a change from past to present. And weekends means Saturday and Sunday. Small details open simple questions.
When a job title sounds heavy, I make it simple. I used to say systems analyst, and people froze. Now I say, I work with computers. I help people fix problems.
In a library chat, I said, I'm Emily. I'm a student right now. I study at night. The person asked which school. I smiled and said, near here, then talked about the new books.
Keeping things light is fine. Share your city, not your full address. Share your field, not every detail. Polite means kind and respectful to yourself and to others.
Quick recap. Name, from, live, do, one tiny detail. Short lines, warm tone, and a small pause.
When someone doesn't catch my name, I slow down. I say, Zach, Z-A-C-H. The word spell means say the letters. Spelling once keeps the chat easy.
I repeat their name. Nice to meet you, Anna. Saying the name shows care. It also helps me remember, especially in loud places. I also keep one pocket line for each part. Where I live, what I do, one hobby. It makes first moments easy, even when I feel a little shy.
So keep it short, smile, and give space. Share who you are in simple pieces, then let the other person share. That's how new friends begin. Let's keep a conversation alive with easy questions. I like questions about the here and now, place, time, and small plans. They are short, gentle, and they give the other person space to answer.
On Tuesday at the bus stop, I met a neighbor. I asked, "Are you waiting for the 24?" She nodded and smiled. Then I said, "Do you live nearby?" Nearby means close. Two small questions, and we were chatting softly.
I do that in cafes too. I asked, "Is this seat free?" And later, "Is that the line for tickets?" We were in the same situation. Shared context means we see the same thing, so questions feel natural.
Either or questions are helpful. Coffee or tea? Inside or outside? Either or means you offer two choices. At the office kitchen, that simple choice turned into a fun talk about mugs and favorite flavors.
I like soft how questions. How's your day going? If they say busy, I echo one word. Busy? Echo means repeat a key word. Then I add a light line. Busy good or busy crazy?
What about you? Is my mirror move. If someone says, "I work late," I answer, "Me too," or "Me neither," when I don't. Me neither means I also do not. It keeps the rhythm friendly.
Quick recap. Ask about the place. Is this seat free? The moment. How's your day? Or a tiny plan. Heading home after this? One question, one short answer, one follow-up. That gentle loop keeps a chat alive.
Endings matter. If the talk slows, I say, "I have to run, but it was nice talking with you." Here, run means leave quickly. It's polite and clear, and the mood stays warm.
One last tip. Add a tiny bridge like, "And you?" after you share. It invites balance. Next, we'll move into swapping contact details or making a small plan without pressure. Speaking of next steps, let's talk about swapping contact details or making a tiny plan. I like to keep it light. Ask softly, check comfort, confirm once, and smile.
At the weekend market, I chatted with a seller about sunflowers. When we finished talking, I asked, "Are you on Instagram?" She nodded. I said, "Great. My handle is EM_pod. Handle just means username.
On a bus ride, I clicked with a new neighbor. I asked, "Do you use WhatsApp?" Then, "May I add you?" "May I" is a polite way to ask. He read his number, and I saved it.
Sometimes I don't want to share a number yet. I say, "Maybe later." There's no pressure. Instead, I suggest a tiny plan. Let's meet at the same cafe on Saturday at 10? Simple and clear.
Numbers can be tricky. I ask, "Could you say that again?" Or, "Slower, please." Then I repeat to confirm. 317, right? For 0, some people say, "Oh." Both are common.
Email is similar. I told a new friend, it's emily.len@gmail.com. The symbol at is at, and the period is dot. Short words make spelling easier in a noisy place.
For small plans, less is more. I once said, "Coffee for 10 minutes after class?" 10 minutes feels easy. He smiled. "Sure." Then I added, "Main entrance?" We both knew exactly where to meet.
I like micro plans when time is tight. Walk to the station together? Or quick tea before the bus? If I only have 5 minutes, I say it. Honest timing keeps it comfortable.
Right after we share numbers, I send a quick hello so they have my name. I texted, "Hi, it's Zach. Green jacket from the bus. Nice to meet you." It helped him remember me later.
I confirm details, too. See you Wednesday at 5? A small thumbs-up emoji made the mood friendly. Emoji just means a little picture icon that shows feeling.
Endings matter. I close with, I need to go, but let's text later. It's polite and clear. Then I wave, and that tiny wave keeps the door open.
Quick recap. Ask gently. Choose what you're comfortable sharing. Confirm numbers or names once. And keep plans small. Time, place, and a simple yes. Light steps. Real connection.
Even one new contact this week can build confidence. Start where you are, with the people you already see, on the bus, in the cafe, at the gym.
Up next, we'll wrap everything up with final advice and easy takeaways you can use the very next time you meet someone new.
Before we wrap up, let's tie everything together. Making new friends starts with tiny steps. A warm hello, a short line about yourself, and one easy question. Small moves, big feeling.
Here's the rhythm I use. Greeting first, hi, or good morning. Then, I'm Emily. Add one detail like, I live nearby, or I make podcasts. After that, a gentle question. How's your day?
Earlier this week at the grocery line, I tried it again. I smiled, said, Hi, I'm Zach, and added, I live on 4th Street. Then I asked, Is this your usual store? That small path felt natural.
Speaking of flow, silence is okay. A short pause lets the other person think. I keep my posture open, shoulders relaxed, and I nod. A nod is a friendly, I'm listening.
Final tip 1. Pick 2 pocket lines, one for greeting, one for sharing. For me, Hi there, and I live nearby. A pocket line is a small sentence ready to use anytime.
Final tip 2. Match the time and mood. Morning can be soft and simple. Afternoon can be light. Evening can be polite. If someone asks, how's it going? I like, pretty good, thanks.
Final tip 3. If it feels right, make a microplan or share contact details. If it doesn't, that's fine too. Maybe later is a clear, kind boundary. Boundary means your personal limit.
Endings matter. I use, I have to run, but it was nice talking with you. Then, see you around, plus a small wave. It's polite and keeps the door open for next time.
Quick recap. Smile, say your name, add one small detail, ask one easy question, listen, and finish with a soft goodbye. Optional, a microplan like tea tomorrow? Clear and friendly.
Funny you say that. Yesterday at the gym, I noticed a woman with a bright blue water bottle. I said, Hi, I'm Emily. We traded names, laughed about the music, and agreed to try a class next week.
That's the idea. Small, real moments. Even one friendly hello this week can build confidence. If it feels awkward, smile anyway. Kindness smooths the edges.
Thanks for spending time with us. If today helped, follow the show so new episodes find you. Take good care, and the next time you meet someone new, you've got this.